All right, today we're going to make what I've been calling poor man's lasagna, but it really is just a lasagna, but it's all thrown together. I'm going to start by and boiling some water for my macaroni. Today, this is I bought Barilla. It's the first time I bought this brand. They were buy one get one free. So for this particular, I change this up from time to time. I got the mini panini al dente in 9 to 10 minutes. Now that our water's just about there, I'm gonna stir in this one LB box of macaroni. Whoever thought to abbreviate pound LB? What is that? So, ooh, these are nice. Nice little noodles. So stir these guys in. Like I said, it says 9 to 10 minutes. You might want to go check them after 7 and see how they are, because while this is cooking and baking and stuff, you don't want the macaroni to get real mushy. So you want it a little on the undone side. All right, so while our macaroni's cooking, I'm going to chop up some mushrooms. I'm going to wash them after I slice them. I think that's the route I'm going with it. I'm just going to chop these up. You can leave them big chunks. You can make small chunks. It's all up to you. Yes, I know. I don't have any cutting skills whatsoever. It all comes out the same, so don't worry about it. Okay, noodles are done. So let's pour this out. Run some cold water over these so that they don't continue to cook. Okay. They're still a little hard. They're alright. Perfect. Alright, now wash your mushrooms real good. Get all that dirt off of there. Alright, so now in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, I'm going to cook these mushrooms down just a little bit. That's just personal preference. If you want to put them in there raw, it's all going to cook anyway. Alright, so I'm going to wait till this starts to smoke a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of butter. So this is starting to smoke. Alright. A little bit of salt. Just let these go for a second or two. You can see that when you cook these down a little bit, they give off a lot of liquid. And we'll just let these cool a little bit before I put them in with the macaroni, which I've already put back in the pot. Okay, again with my frying pan, I've got a smoking pan with just a little bit of olive oil in it. I'm going to drop a little bit more butter in there. And what I'm using for ground beef is market ground beef, which from what I understand is any of the steaks and anything else that's about to go bad. I don't know. But what we're going to do for this is flatten it down. Okay. Get as much surface. Don't break this up yet. Just spread it out and let it get a good crust. We haven't seasoned anything yet. Let that build a good crust. Alright, after a few minutes, we can go ahead and try to flip this anyway. Now you can start breaking it up. We're gonna season it. I've got a mix of salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and we're just gonna give this a good sprinkle and really scrape the bottom. Get any of that was sticking, because there's where all your flavor is. You can break this up however small or big you want. The when you're mixing it all together, it's going to get even smaller. So this was a 75-25, so there's not a lot of grease in there. So I'm going to skip the whole draining process and save some of that flavor. Alright, well, I lost the footage of, I just incorporated the meat and a half a jar of the ragu. I'm using Old World Traditional. So I got that all mixed in. Now I'm going to come in with a bag of whole milk mozzarella. This is an 8-ounce bag. And we're just going to pour this whole thing in there. And once again, we're going to get down in there and incorporate this. At this point, there'll be enough residual heat. I'm going to turn this down. Turn it off for now. Add some more of the tomato sauce. Incorporate this. Okay. Now I'm going to do a half a bag of shredded Parmesan. Just about that much. Give this a taste, make sure that you got enough. Add a little bit more of my mixture here. Just a tiny bit more sauce. And we'll get a good mix. That looks good. Let's give it a taste. Okay, that's pretty good. You know, and you can do whatever you want with this. If you wanted to add more sauce, if you wanted to spice it up, you could put spices in there. Make it spicy. Sometimes I'll actually incorporate sweet Italian sausage as well. It's all up to you. So let's get ready to plate this. Alright, so I just got these from Amazon. These are the 2-pounders. There's 55 and they were $19. It beats buying these at the grocery store. You get a 5-pack for $5. If you're interested, this is what they are. Aluminum foil containers with lids. Quiet! Alright, so we got our mixture. You guys help me name this. What do we call this? Poor man's lasagna just doesn't sound right. So I'll basically just do a couple of scoops in each one. What I think I would eat in one sitting. Don't really want to waste it. So I'll just go there. You have to forgive my cat. He's on a diet because he cried whenever I would record. And so I would keep feeding him to shut him up. But he got too fat, so now he's on a diet. Alright, spread that one out. Set that over there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I just dropped a bag of mozzarella cheese on the floor. And yes, it was opened. These are a little bit bigger than the ones I've been getting at the grocery store. So, alright. And then so put the rest in this one. Alright. So this one's a little light, so I'm going to actually make this one right now. Set that aside. Bring these down. So what I'll do is I'll take what little bit of mozzarella I have left now. Actually, I think I have another bag because these were on BOGO. So do a sprinkle on top. And then I'll come back with my Parmesan. Do a little sprinkle of that as well. Come in with a little bit of parsley. Give it some nice little color. Alright, so this is a great meal for a family. Or if you're single like me, you've got 5 nights of dinner here. You just pop it in the oven for about an hour at 350 or 400. And you're good to go. So we'll seal these up. And then we'll mark poor man's lasagna. Today's date is the 13th. Happy birthday, Tracy. I think we need to come up with a better name for this meal, so leave it in the comments what you guys think we should call this from now on. So we'll stick these in the freezer. Alright, so after it comes out of the oven, it's hot, but it looks so good. Let's see how it tastes. Breaded Parmesan on top really makes a difference. I've never done that before. So good, so good.